everyone. We are here in the mountain for a nice picnic. Omelette, zucchini. This is my plate. I have beef minced meat balls. This one, and then omelette, zucchini, salad rice, insalata di riso in Italian. We have melon, fruits, peaches, and prunes. And um, this is beef minced meat balls, and this is our dessert: biscuits, soft drinks with lemon, and mineral water. So this is it. Narayaman dyan eh. Behind me is the mountain. What's that? Meto po ay. Ano na gusto pa? I have here omelette. Nice, nice. I'm here relaxing, eating in the mountain, picnic in the mountain, guys. Nice, nice. Meatballs, beef mince, beef mince meatballs. Polpette in Italian. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and follow for more videos to come. Bye bye. Hello, everyone. I would like to share